how to make an investment in Metaverse. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can make an investment in Metaverse, what is Metaverse and what is happening, how you can also take part in this evolution and how you can become a part of Metaverse by investing. So let's get started. At first, if you do not have any idea about Metaverse is a virtual reality that has been created, and there are different Metaverse places that you can actually find. So now everybody is talking about Metaverse, everybody is investing in Metaverse. Now, all of the famous brands are, creating their shops, opening up their, shops in Metaverse. We have concerts happening and we have different NFTs. Everything is happening in Metaverse, and you want to be the part of Metaverse as well. So you might be wondering how to become a part of Metaverse and what are different opportunities you can actually avail with Metaverse. Of course, when a new thing is introduced, a lot of opportunity come with that. And when we talk about Metaverse, and it's same with Metaverse, we have a lot of opportunities. So today I'm gonna show you all ways you can actually invest in Metaverse, different ways, and let's get started. So the first way you can invest in Metaverse is going to be buying a land. That is the first thing you can do. So what happens is in Metaverse, you can actually go to any of the Metaverse. You can go to an open Metaverse. Just right now, I am on Sandbox. Sandbox is an open Metaverse. Then we also have Decentraland. There are many others as well. We also have a Metaverse by Facebook. Facebook, changed its name to Meta, and now they have also introduced Metaverse. So you can join any Metaverse. Joining Metaverse is really, really easy. And the first way to invest is going to be buying a land. How you can buy a land in Metaverse? Let's say you want to buy a land in Sandbox. So you will find the map right here. Everybody has actually bought land in Sandbox. Now you will actually find all of the famous, companies and all of the famous brands. They are, buying lands. What happens in a land? You can actually create games within that land. That's what you can do. Then you can rent that land if you want to somebody. Then you can actually create something. You can create a restaurant on that land. You can actually, create a stadium. You can create a bar for people to come and enjoy. So this is what we can do. It's literally like in real life where you simply buy a land, and there are a lot of different options for you to go, and you can just simply go ahead and invest in that land. So that is the first way you can invest. To buy a land in Sandbox, you can also go to any of the NFT marketplace as well. The Sandbox lands are actually available on OpenSea.io as well. OpenSea.io is an NFT marketplace. So you can buy the lands in your Metaverse, because everything in Metaverse is going to be NFT. Why? Because you want to own that thing. For example, a land, an asset, we want to own that. We want that thing to be on our blockchain, and we want it to be secure. That is why everything is converted into a non-fungible token, so no one can claim your right. So that is why everything that we see in Metaverse is going to be NFT, and you will actually buy that NFT, that land, and then it will belong to you. So you can buy a land. That is the first thing you can do. Second thing that you can do, an investment in your Metaverse, is going to be creating your own brand or opening up your shop within Metaverse. Well, we know in Metaverse, people are going to be, enjoying, and people will enter Metaverse every day. This is a virtual reality. There are bars, there are games, there are restaurants. Of course, then people will want to buy things in the Metaverse. And with all of the famous brands now opening up in Metaverse, such as, Walmart, we have Nike, and all of these very famous brands, they have opened up their shops in Metaverse. So that also opens the opportunity for us, like for small businesses and for people who are just beginning. So you can also create a shop within your Metaverse. If you already have a brand, you are running a small business, then go ahead and create a shop. There are malls created within Metaverse. So you can actually rent a shop in that mall if you don't want to buy your own land and create a shop there. So you will find a lot of platforms, different areas and regions where people have bought land and they are renting shops to people. So you can rent a shop and you can pay them, or you can just simply go ahead and buy a small piece of their land to create your own shop, and then people will be able to buy from your shop and you will be able to make money. So when it comes to investing in a Metaverse, the important thing is that you should keep in mind is that whatever you will be investing, you will be making 10x of that, because it's increasing and it's exploding. People are still coming into this thing, and maybe at the end of this year or maybe next year it will be huge. Even right now, a lot of people are into Metaverse, and they are always looking for different things. They are looking to buy lands and they're looking to buy things, so you will be able to make a lot of money. So keep in mind while investing that whatever you are investing, you will be able to make a profit out of it. But again, keep in mind to go for a Metaverse that you trust, and keep in mind all of the different aspects as well. Don't waste your money into things that are not that good. So another thing that you can do is you can create games within Metaverse. This is one of the things that is actually a lot of people doing this. You can create games such as in Sandbox, we can buy a land and we create games. People simply come on your land and simply they will go to your land and they will play games and they will make money. You can add points and you in return will be making a lot of money with that as well. Then another way you can invest in Metaverse is going to be through NFTs. What happens is, of course, when we create a space in our Metaverse, let's say I bought a land. Right now I want to create a restaurant, or maybe I want to create something. Okay, let's say I want to create a restaurant in my Metaverse. So what will happen is I will need a chair for my restaurant. Right now I cannot buy a chair physically and add it to my Metaverse. I will need to buy that chair through NFTs. I want to add a painting to my restaurant. I will have to buy that painting so that it can become real in my virtual reality. Right? So how it happens? We simply buy NFTs, and then those NFTs can be used in our different metaverses. Every metaverse has its own assets as well. Even in the Sandbox or Decentraland, you will be able to find, if you go to market, you will be able to find different NFTs that you can use. You can use any NFT. Let's say you bought a crypto punk, or maybe you bought a cyberpunk, right? So if it's a 3D cyberpunk, you can actually put that cyberpunk into your restaurant in your Metaverse. So that is how NFTs work. This is actually one of the easiest ways to get into the Metaverse, to invest in Metaverse. You can create NFTs for people. If you are a creator, if you can create 3D art, then you can just simply go ahead and create these NFTs for people, and this will be a way to invest in Metaverse because everything is NFT. Similarly, there are many other ways you can invest in Metaverse. You can just simply go ahead. A lot of people are now buying lands, and they give away the lands for events. You can actually create land and then you decorate it and then you rent it for events as well. For example, for concerts, for weddings. You won't believe people are now getting married in Metaverse. So you can actually create this amazing event management, and whatever you are doing in reality, whatever you were doing in real life, you can do that virtually in Metaverse now. And this is just through your computer. You will be able to create everything you want to. You can buy stuff, you can sell, and you can simply invest in Metaverse, and then you will be able to make a lot of money with that. Of course, the money is going to be real. You can convert your money. Even in real life, a lot of people want to live luxury, and of course you will be able to create luxury restaurants or resorts for people as well, where people will be able to enjoy and you will be making money. So explore the Metaverse, start getting into this and create your NFTs, buy a land, buy a shop, whatever you want to do. There are a lot of opportunities for you there in Metaverse, so you can start investing in Metaverse right now. Don't get too late. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you how you can invest in Metaverse, what are different ways to make money to Metaverse. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.